Good day everyone. Today we're going to discuss the four major elements of life, also known as Chon. At the end of this lesson, we should be able to identify the four major elements present in living organisms, explain the importance of each element, and describe how they combine to form the basic molecules that is essential for life. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Look at your hand for a moment. What do you think your body is made of? Those are all correct. You might say skin, muscles, bones, or cells. Pero kung iisipin natin ng mas malalim, ang lahat ng iyon ay gawa rin sa maliliit na atoms o elements at iyon ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. The four most important elements that make life possible. This is the elemental composition of the human body. As you can see, oxygen makes up about 63% of our body, followed by carbon at 9.5%, hydrogen at 25.2%, and nitrogen at 1.4%. Fun fact! The carbon in your body was actually created inside exploding stars billions of years ago. So yes, you're literally made of stardust. Pretty cool, right? What are molecules of life? Molecules of life are the molecules that make up every living organism. They are mainly made from four important elements called Chon: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Ibig sabihin, kahit tao, halaman, hayop, o bakterya, pare-pareho silang gumagamit ng apat na elements na ito para mabuo ang katawan nila. Magkakaiba man ang itsura nila, iisa pa rin ang basic building blocks nila. Let's start with carbon. Carbon is called the backbone of life because it can connect with many other atoms. Tinatawag itong backbone of life dahil kaya nitong bumuo ng maraming bonds sa iba't ibang atoms. Dahil dito, nakakabuo ito ng malalaki at komplikadong molecules tulad ng carbohydrates, proteins, lipids at DNA. Kaya kung walang carbon, hindi mabubuo ang karamihan sa mga molecules ng katawan ng living organisms para mabuhay. Next is hydrogen. Hydrogen is part of water and also helps produce and store energy inside our cells. Hindi lang siya bahagi ng tubig, mahalaga rin ang hydrogen sa mga reactions sa loob ng cells natin na tumutulong para makagawa ng energy na ginagamit ng katawan araw-araw. Next is oxygen. Oxygen is needed by our cells to produce energy. Kapag humihinga tayo, pumapasok ang oxygen sa lungs natin at dinadala ito ng dugo sa iba't ibang bahagi ng katawan. Doon ito ginagamit ng cells para makagawa ng energy na kailangan natin sa paggalaw, pag-iisip at iba pang gawain. Lastly, nitrogen. Nitrogen is important for making proteins and DNA. Ang proteins ang tumutulong sa pagbuo at pag-repair ng muscles at tissues, habang ang DNA naman ang nagsisilbing instruction manual ng ating katawan. Kaya mahalagang may nitrogen para maayos ang paglaki at paggana ng cells natin. Now let's see how Chon works together through photosynthesis. Plants use carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. Sa prosesong ito, nagsasama-sama ang carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen para makagawa ng glucose na siyang pagkain ng halaman. Kasabay nito, naglalabas din ang mga halaman ng oxygen na kailangan ng tao at hayop sa paghinga. This is NH3 or ammonia. It is made up of 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Mahalaga ang ammonia dahil isa ito sa pinagmumula ng nitrogen na kailangan ng mga halaman. Ginagamit nila ito para makagawa ng proteins at iba pang molecules na mahalaga sa kanilang paglaki. This is carbon dioxide or CO2. It is made up of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. Ginagamit ito ng plants sa photosynthesis habang tayong mga tao at hayop ay naglalabas nito kapag nag-exhale. Lastly, this is water or H2O. It is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Ang water ay mahalaga dahil tumutulong ito sa pag-transport ng nutrients, pag-regulate ng body temperature at iba pang processes na sa ating katawan. One element alone cannot create life. Together, Chon forms the molecules essential for life. Kaya sila ang tinatawag na foundation of life dahil sila ang bumubuo sa mga molecules na kailangan ng lahat ng living organism. As future healthcare professional, understanding Chon helps us understand how our body functions because every cell, tissue, and organ depends on these four elements. Before I end, remember this. Every breath you take, every drop of water you drink, and every cell in your body exists because of these four elements. That's why Chon is truly the foundation of life. So that's all, and I hope you learned something in our discussion. See you next time!